Beginning to feel a bit like Christmas. Okay, it's been few days now, so let's just talk about Andromeda, Meta Andromeda, and what it is. In short, it is the new head of Meta's algorithm. Think of it like a smart nanny who watches you all the time and knows exactly what your interest would be so it can serve the right. What does it mean for marketers? And if you are running your marketing yourself, what does it mean for you? For years and years in Meta, it's been about scaling what has worked, segmenting your audiences, and bringing them messages that'll work. And the way marketers have targeted that was in a group cluster. All of those manual tweaks are no longer going to be valid. Think of it like Netflix. When you do log in, you get suggestions and certain shows pop up onto your feed, which you may take interest in and then watch. Something very similar, but to a very high degree of personalization, is going to take place with Andromeda. So then as a business owner, what you should be looking at is scaling and getting many ads. But don't worry, Meta has thought of that as well. For months now, you've been looking at the Advantage Plus and Advantage Plus enhancements to be exact. So as a marketer, now you are allowing Advantage Plus to create many different ads on one side of the equation, and the other side of the equation, Andromeda will look at all those ads and go, right, I'll handpick these ones for you to be the winning bid in front of this next consumer. But wait, there's more. My ad testing has shown that it actually works differently depending on the hour of the day. When the user is more likely to be susceptible to an idea for a holiday, they'll get a holiday ad. When you're more susceptible to take an action on your business or something to do with your personal growth, you might get an ad like that around that hour. So it really comes down to a very nitpicky, personalized behavior to which Andromeda is now speaking. So as a business owner, keep your creatives clean, keep your messaging tight and simple, allow Advantage Plus to then enhance those creatives, and make sure you are playing with the key fundamental question: what's in it for your audiences? The more you answer that, the better your ads will perform. As always, I'll see you in the next one.